We are launching into the Gulf with one target in mind, red snapper. But if you've ever spent any time in saltwater fishing, you know the best catches are usually the ones that you never expect. This is today's journey. Check this out.
All right, good morning, cats. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys don't know me, I'm Jack. This is Jack. We're on offshore kayak fishing, boats, onshore, any type of saltwater fishing, big fish that get you tight. And it's what I love to do today, July 4th weekend. We're headed offshore to get some red snake fishing. That is the goal today. My video right there. And the first thing to do today is what we want to do. Let's go get some baits. Now, I heard there's been a lot of flages in the area, mahis up there. There's carping. We'll catch some bait real quick. Let's see. We got some fish. Alright guys, we're going to troll to this little spot up close here. And I'm going to see if we can catch some more bait. I'm going to go ahead and troll the cigar minnow right here behind me. Put him right through the nose, right here. Let this guy lay right behind, just like that. And this is a live cigar minnow on a stinger rig. Great bait to use. I'll toss him out behind my kayak. Let's see. I'll show this guy probably about 200 feet behind the kayak or so, maybe a little more. There we go. We trolling. Put that guy right there. Head on out.
So unfortunately, we didn't catch anything on the troll. The water is pretty dirty, so I wasn't expecting it. But we did see a lot of Spanish jumping. We made it to the bottom spot and started fishing.
Alright guys, we're almost to the spot. Should be there in a couple minutes. It's coming up on my fish finder now. As you can see, we're pretty far offshore, but the water is absolutely filthy. Extremely dirty right now, so I'm not sure how I feel about that. Hey Olaf, your radio working? I had mine off channel. You good, Olaf?
Yeah, mine's working. I hear you. You see you marking anything?
I'm coming up on the spot now. I'm 500 foot away. Should be a good spot, I hope. Alright, so let's go and get a rod and reel ready. I'm gonna start off by dropping straight to the bottom. Oh yeah. No broke boys, no new plans. Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Dang it. That's the last thing I needed right there. Crap. I done got it in my drive. I felt it. Oh yeah. She in there. Hold on, get this out real quick. That's why you have the PDL prop. It makes it so much easier. All right. I hate that curly Q stuff. Hopefully it won't be a problem.
That's why the PDL prop from Navarre Kayak Fishing is goated. There we go. Alright, we're marking now. Alright, now we're starting to mark the fish. Ouch, 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 ouch. There we go. Let's see if we can get on some fish now. I'm marking now, Seth. Olin. Come on, Dayton. There you go. Are you freelining? Hope that's not an amberjack. I think my bait's gone. Dang, he's on a big one. Is that a good one? Heck yeah.
Yep.
We on bottom?
Yeah. He's not huge, but
That's all that matters. Net him. Get him in. That's what I'm talking about.
I'm using a Carolina.
Oh God.
Oh shit.
I need you to move all off.
Oh foot. Yep, get up. Put him on.
Oh gosh.
I'm backing up.
Okay. I was reeling up and he hit.
Go forward.
I'm good. We're good. Oh, I was reeling up and he smacked it. Let's get him up, guys. Nice snapper in this dirty, dirty, dirty water we got.
Snapper?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
That's a big one.
Yeah, he's a.
Maybe about the same size.
I'll take it. Let's go, baby. First fish of the trip. Beautiful red snapper. Let's go. I'm gonna get my Ego fish grips. Shout out to Ego. Always hooking the guy up over here. Please. All right. One down, baby. One down. Here we go. First fish. A nice, beautiful American red snapper going into the box. Let me turn myself around so I can get some better pictures. I really want to hurry up and drop down, but it's okay. All right, guys. First fish, a beautiful American red snapper. I'm gonna bleed him, put him on ice. Let's go. This is what we save the private numbers for. Stuff just like this. What? Let's go, baby. Keep him, I don't care. Like, keep him in the kayak and throw him out later. Just don't feed that dolphin.
Yeah.
Keep that off camera, too. Definitely don't want that. Because that's what he's thinking is going to happen. We might just need to stop fishing for a second, too.
Yeah.
It's hard not to. Dang, something ate on the way down. That's a decent one. What is it? Come on up. I think it's a snapper. Feels like a snapper. Yep, you're not getting this one, buddy. Huh? Yeah, I got him. All right, nice red snapper right here. He is legal. Don't want to feed the dolphins, so. Did you let that snapper go?
What is it?
Did you let him go?
No, I got him still in the yak.
I might keep this one.
Another small one.
He ain't small, he's legal. He's like 20 inches. All right, there's my limit on snapper, guys, so. Let's see. Let me see what he measures. He's 21 inches. I'm gonna keep him. Yeah, I don't want to feed dolphins. All right, there's my limit snapper, guys. Now it's time to get on some mangrove. That's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna bust out this rod right here. It's a custom chaos rod on a Kuma Tessero 6K. And we're gonna see if we can. I'm gonna take these. I'm gonna trim these bad boys off. I'm gonna get back on the spot and see. It's crazy how dirty this water is out here. This is not like Florida at all. All right, that's the bait I'm using right here, guys. It's beautiful looking pinfish.
Really?
Yeah, they're hitting it pretty quick too, buddy.
On free line?
Yeah, and on down.
Yeah, that's what that spot off 33. I mean, it's 2 drops, 2 fish, leave.
Yeah.
Quick.
There we go. Kind of feels like a mangrove. That's what I want. Put that drag to. Nope, just a little red snapper. But I'll take it. Hey, stop. You're gonna track dolphins. All right, I got him. Little 5/0 hook. Put that back down. Beautiful red snapper right here. I'm gonna let him go because I already got my limit.
On this spot.
Really good spot, really good marks.
Ooh, any
Hey, some good marks here. Why didn't we fish here?
Kayak?
No, it's right here in front of me.
Right in front of it. Okay.
Yep, there he is. I see him.
Snapper following him up right now. 20 incher. Come on, swim down, buddy. Swim down.
You still throwing
I'm on.
live baits down there? Oh, you're on. Oh, shit.
Be a mangrove.
That ain't no mangrove.
Yeah, it is. It's a big one. Nah, he ain't that big. Stud would whoop me. Oh, is it brown? That's a nice one though. That's not a bad one. Nice. Cut them up.
What?
Cut them up.
Yeah, I want to see if something will eat him.
Dead one out.
All right, guys, just got this guy on a free line on the spot. Just want to see if the fish are here. And got this nice little red snapper. Go let him go. Is he in there?
He's in there.
Okay, thank you. Ouch.
You want to just keep that in your boat till we get.
I can if that'd be easier for you.
Yeah.
That's like a 20-incher right there. At least. That'll make a fine sandwich, sir. Alright. I got this live cigar. Free line, got it hooked in the head. Let's see if I can get on one myself now. There we go. Get him out there. Swim on down for me. Poor favor. Go down. There we go. Oh, come on, be a snapper. He's fighting frisky. Be brown. Oh, God, Lord. Be red. Can this catch a king? No way. Come on. That's a king. That's why I got a long rod because of this. King? A king. King mackerel, baby. No. Came close. Did not expect to catch this. But I caught a king mackerel on fluorocarbon. Hooked him perfectly in the corner of the mouth right there. Leader's not even chafed. And he's going crazy. I'm gonna get that out of his mouth. Get my eagle pliers. Hook out. Look at those teeth on this thing. And got this nice king mackerel right here. He's the eagle one. They gotta be 24 inches to the fork, and he definitely makes it. But free lining the bait and got this bad boy right here. I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna double check, make sure he's legal. Pretty sure he's gotta be. Oh, yeah, he's way legal. Yeah. Nice.
You already gassed him, didn't you?
Yeah, I was making sure he was. Freaking king. Huh?
26?
Oh, he's like 28 to the fork. They gotta be 24, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll probably use some shark bait. Whew, my leader's not even chafed. I must have hooked him perfectly. Alright guys, so that's it. We're gonna start heading in now, take this red snapper home, and cook up something delicious to eat for lunch after a long Alright guys, here's our fresh red snapper. I bled it, I flayed it, and kept on ice for about 24 hours. And we're gonna make a nice little fish sandwich. I got some homemade pickled onions I made for 4th of July. My wife made some homemade pickles from the cucumbers in the garden. We'll dress it up with that. I got this new seasoning called Blue Hogs. I tried it, it's pretty good, so I'm gonna try it on fish, see what it tastes like. Just gonna lightly dust it, but it looks like I'm heavily dusting. Alright, I'm gonna pat that in there. Flip, flip. I got the pan already in the background heating. I can already hear the olive oil popping. Alright, come over here. We'll lay our fish down. Get some olive oil and a little bit of butter. All we do is just going to pan sear this for our sandwich. I have a couple pieces because the daughter wants some too. We got it on medium heat and let that cook for about a couple minutes on each side so it's nice and white and flaky. Alright guys, the fish is done. I'm not sure how the audio went on from this one because I didn't hit the record button on it, but here is the fresh fish right here. Red snapper, making my daughter a fish sandwich too because she wants one. But I'm going to put this on the sandwich, right meow. There we go. And she wants some lettuce. And there's my daughter's. She don't want to be on camera, so I'm gonna put that to the side. I'm gonna make mine a little different. I got some mayonnaise on the bread. And a nice piece of fish right here. Put one more piece because we're trying to hit our protein. Got a piece of lettuce. Like I said, here's my wife's homemade spicy pickles. Put some of those on there. I made a mess on the counter. And these are my favorite. Made homemade pickled onions. And these things go good on everything. So I'll get me a nice little dab on that. Oh yeah. That looks good. Put this stuff on the side. Clean up our mess. Oh yeah, it looks good. Look at that. Fresh fish sandwich with some pickled onions. I'm not even cutting in half. I'm just gonna dive right in this bad boy. Why is it spicy? It's hot, but it's delicious. Didn't have to fry it. Fresh snapper we caught actually yesterday. Got it set on ice, like I said. Firming up the meat a little bit. It's good. Nice little lunchtime snack. I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna finish eating this. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Love y'all. See you guys in the next one. Eat this bad boy. It's falling apart.